Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you my purchase from Goodwill. I purchased this bag of ribbons. This was probably 2-3 weeks ago. Sorry about the crinkling noises here. But anyway, this is the bag. I paid $2.49. They made sure it was $2.49. As you can tell, they put the same price tag everywhere. Okay, so I took a few ribbons out of this bag and I made something with them, and I'll show you in a moment. But first, I'd like to go through the bag quickly and see what's in it, because I didn't really get to see everything that's inside. So I'll try to be quick because I know it's a lot. There's a lot in this bag. I think I'll just empty the whole bag here. Wow, there is a lot. Okay, so let's briefly go through them. So there are a bunch of them that are like Christmas ribbons, as you can see, and these will be handy when, you know, for around Christmas. So all of this, I don't know if you could see all of it. Take a look. It's a lot. $2.49. And I really like this one here. It's so pretty. It's got those roses, print of roses, and oh look at this, even lace, a spool of lace. Very nice. And this one is pretty too. Yeah, and oh, this one too. I mean, so many pretty ones. And this one too, it's like a organza ribbon. Most of them are wired. This one is not. And oh, this blue lace. Anyway, so let me just move this to the side, get this out of the way so I could show you what I've been making. There are also some of them that are like Halloween fall theme ribbons, and I'll make use of them when the time comes, the time of the year. Okay, let me just take these, put them aside. Okay, as you can see, there are lots and lots of them, and for $2.49, I don't know where else one would find such a deal. There were 2 bags, and I only grabbed one. So anyway, I went back the next day to see if the other bag was still there. It was gone. Okay, so this is what I made with them. Okay, I've been making roses with the wire ribbons from that bag. This is what the ribbon was like. So here's the rose, and here's this white ribbon, and I made these 3 roses. I put this vintage earring in the center, And this ribbon here that was also in that bag, I made all of these roses and these little rosebuds. And this one, this is so pretty with this organza ribbon, wired ribbon, and also with this yellow one that was in that bag, I made this rose and a bunch of these little rosettes, so I could use these in future projects. Okay, so I will quickly go through what I made. Okay, I've been in the wreath making mood lately because spring is here and Easter's around the corner. So here's what my wreath looks like. So you could see, using this ribbon from that bag, I made this rosette, these roses, and then I only have these tiny pieces here. I use this to make these 2 roses. And also this ribbon here that I wrapped around this wire wreath also was a part of that bag. And once I wrapped it around, I started building layer upon layer, starting with this part of a doily that I cut off a doily. I cut 2 pieces, one here and one right there. And so I attached the flowers, and I also made these little flowers that you see here in between the roses. I made these with this ribbon, and also using stems, flower sprays, stamen. So here are the ones I made. So I popped this little guy in there. He's so adorable. And these 2 that I had in my stash, these 2 little flowers. And I had these flowers in my stash that I got from Hobby Lobby long ago. And I also popped this butterfly, and also I attached these dangles, which are very shabby and pretty. And then for the hanger, I grabbed one of those ribbons that was in that bag, and it matched the colors perfectly. And I attached these flat back pearls, and it could hang like so, like this, or this way. No, but I like it like this, kind of like with the pearl right there in the center. So here we go. Okay, so I hope you like my purchase. You never know what you could find at the thrift stores and make something really pretty with it. So this is what I came up with. I hope you like it, and well, have fun making wreaths if you're gonna give this a go. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.